In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter non-taxable IHS W-2 in TurboTax. If you receive IHSS income and need to report it properly in TurboTax, this walkthrough will help you get to the correct area and enter the amount carefully. The goal here is to make sure the non-taxable IHSS W-2 information is handled in the right place during your return review process. To begin, go to the top navigation area in TurboTax and hover over Income. This section is where TurboTax organizes earnings, tax documents, and other income-related details. When you place your cursor over Income, it opens the path to the wage section you'll need for this adjustment. From there, click on Wages and Salaries. This will take you into the part of TurboTax that deals with W-2 entries and wage-related information. If you've already entered your forms, that's okay. You're simply moving into the correct category so you can review and continue with the non-taxable IHSS handling. Next, click on Review. This step is important because it lets TurboTax check the wage section and guide you through any follow-up screens related to what you entered. Review is often where TurboTax presents additional questions or correction opportunities. So make sure you move through this part without skipping ahead. After that, click Continue. This brings you to the next screen where TurboTax is ready for the amount you need to enter. At this stage, take a moment to confirm that you're entering the correct non-taxable IHSS amount from your tax information. Accuracy matters here, especially since this is income that may need special treatment and should not be taxed in the usual way. Then enter the amount. Be careful to type the number exactly as needed without adding extra digits or symbols unless TurboTax specifically asks for them. A good tip is to double check the amount before moving on, just to avoid errors that could affect the rest of your return. Once the amount is entered, review what you typed to make sure everything looks correct. Even a small mistake can cause confusion later, so it's worth pausing for a quick final check. If the screen reflects the right non-taxable IHSS amount, you're in good shape to continue through the rest of your filing process. That's how to enter non-taxable IHS W-2 in TurboTax. Follow each screen carefully, take your time with the amount entry, and you should be able to complete this part smoothly.